Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
We are fine. And how about you, sir?
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you very much. And it's good to see you this morning and keep spiritual. Even it's still pandemic and rainy season has come. Keep healthy. And before we start the lesson, let's pray together. And Era, please lead your friends to pray.
Before we are studying, let's fly together begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Ero. And I'll check your presence today. Sepertinya Pak Atut.
Yes, sir.
Ero.
Yes, sir.
Yanti.
Yes, sir.
Oke, Ropiah.
Sir.
Aisyah. Kita.
Sir.
Okay, it's still sick and we wait other students to join with us and we continue. They are join and directly coming to the class. Okay. Do you still remember the subject of our discussion last week?
Procedure text.
Procedure text. What kind of procedure text last week?
Manual.
Manual. Okay, good. You still remember. And today we will continue still related with procedure text, and it's back to the recipe with other skills. Today we will a lot of speaking. We learn how to orally tell related to the recipe to the audience. And please to remind our knowledge, I will play the video to refresh. Please attention to the content of the video related to the structures, to the ingredients and the methods, and it will follow by some question. Wait a second, please.
Guys, today I'll show you how to make novel apple pudding. The ingredients are 4 green apples, peeled, cored, and thickly sliced. A quarter cup or 45 gram self-raising flour, sifted. 60 gram butter or margarine, cubed. A half cup or 100 gram caster sugar. 1 1/4 cups or 300 milliliter water. Now follow the method. First, place apple in a heat-proof dish. Place flour in a bowl. Rub in margarine. 60 gram butter or margarine, cubed. A half cup or 100 gram caster sugar. 1 1/4 cups or 300 milliliter water. Now follow the method. First, place apple in a heat-proof dish. Place flour in a bowl. Rub in margarine with a spatula. Second, stir in sugar and water. Mixture should be lumpy. Pour over apples. Third, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour or until syrupy and golden. Serve warm with cream or ice cream.
Okay, that is the video related to the recipe today and the purpose of the study. Today, it will be focused on the speaking. So the first purpose of the study is peserta didik mampu menganalisa struktur teks, fungsi sosial, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar sesuai konteks. This is already discussed at the first and the second time. Number 2, peserta didik menyusun kalimat imperatif dengan tepat. 3, peserta didik membuat video tutorial teks prosedur lisan pendek, sederhana, berbentuk resep, dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar. That is our purpose of the study today. And how about the video? Do you have clear enough? Jelas videonya?
Jelas.
Okay. Can you answer the 3 questions followed? What is the aim, goal of the recipe? Apa jawabannya nomor 1? What is the answers number 1? What is the aim?
How to make novel apple pudding.
How to make novel apple pudding. Okay, good. Number 2, how many ingredients? We
5.
need 5 ingredients we need. And number 3, how many methods are there?
3.
Okay, 3 methods, 3 steps on creating novel apple pudding. Okay, next slide. We will learn how to state each ingredient in the recipe. We will use a table to analyze the thing. Don't forget, we talked about the thing of each ingredient because the thing is the most important in the ingredients. Okay, what is the thing?
Benda.
Benda. Oke, jadi bendanya yang diutamakan. Oke, number 1, Ero. What is the
Apples.
thing? Apples. Okay, what is apples?
Apple.
Apples. Okay. How many apples we need? Berapa?
4.
4. What kind apple?
Green.
Green. Okay. We need 4 green apples and the action applied, peel, core, and thickly slice. Apa itu peel?
Pas.
Oh, dikupas. Okay, good. Core, we for cube thickly slice and then we slice it thickly. Now the ingredients number 2. Atut, what the next ingredients? The thing of flour.
Flour.
Okay, what is flour?
Tepung.
Tepung. How many tepung? How many flour? Can you read this? Can you say this in English?
How cup?
Seperempat, seperempat. What is the English seperempat?
A
Quarter.
quarter. Cup.
Cups or 40 green self-raising flour sifted. Okay, the next ingredients, the things of the ingredients. Aisyah, what is the next things of the ingredients on the recipe? Butter or margarine. What is butter or margarine? Mentega. Okay. Can you have a clear voice near the speaker, please? How many butter or margarine? 60 grams. Okay, the process is cubed. So the process of the margarine is still cubed. And then the next thing, Ropia.
Sugar.
Sugar. What sugar?
Gula.
Gula. Okay, how many sugar we need?
Half 100.
Okay, half cups or 100 gram caster sugar. Okay, the last thing in the ingredients of the recipe. Yanti, please.
Water.
Water. How many water?
1.5.
1.5 cups, okay, or 300 milliliters water. That are the things in the ingredients, amount and the thing. Jadi ada jumlah dan ada bendanya. And you have to practice a lot to read the amount. And from this, any question before we move into the next slide? Ada pertanyaan sebelum saya lanjutkan ke slide selanjutnya? Clear?
What is fill?
Okay. Error. What is field? I already told field is kupas. Because we talk about the fruits. Kita berbicara soal buah, jadi harus di-peel dulu. And then the action applied. Dan perlakuan selanjutnya adalah we make it coarse and thickly sliced. Lalu diiris secara kecil-kecil. Okay. Any questions? All clear enough? Okay, thank you very much. I move to the next slide. Please see it. Okay, now we analyze the action in the method of novel apple pudding. Okay, jadi kita ke actionnya sekarang. Why action? Because we will try to comprehend the imperative on the purpose of the study. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang imperatif, yaitu kata yang menjelaskan tentang tindakan atau action. The method, how many methods are there? Ada berapa metode tadi? Ada berapa steps? Ada 3 on processing. There are 3 on processing novel apple pudding. Okay, now the first method, the first actions in the method. Kita, what are there? Kita
Place, rub in.
okay, place, rub in. What is place?
Tempatkan.
Tempatkan. Okay, hello. Hello, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Atut connecting, Rovia. I'm sorry, that was the...
Ini dilanjut, Pak.
Okay, there are trouble with the signal. I'm sorry. We continue our lessons and I will share screen again. Kita lanjutkan. Saya share screen dulu. I'm sorry for uncomfortable conditions. Okay. We talk about the method. There are 3 methods. Kita berbicara tentang metode. Ada 3 langkah. Okay. Ita, what the first method? The first actions in the method, Ta?
Place, rub in.
Okay. What is mean of place? Place and rub in action. What is place?
Tempatkan.
Tempatkan. Okay. It means that this is not a place of a thing, but we place something in a thing. Where's a thing of the apple? We place it in a heat-proof of dish. And the second thing that we have to place in is a flour. We put it in a bowl. Jadi ada 2 yang ditempatkan. Satu apple. And the second one is flour. Rub in, margarine. What is rub in?
Gosok.
Okay, it means we have to mix it with the spatula. The action number 2, Yanti, what are?
Stir, pour.
Stir and pour. Okay, what does stir mean?
Mengaduk.
Mengaduk. What is pour?
Tuangkan.
Okay, the stir it mean to mix. To be once. Jadi stir itu mengaduk 2 bahan, 2 benda menjadi satu. And pour it over the apples. And lalu dituangkan di atas apples-nya. Number 3, the last steps to make novel apple pudding. Okay, Aisyah, Pia, can you say number 3?
Bake.
Bake. Bake.
Bake.
Okay, what is bake?
Memanggang.
Memanggang. Okay, how long we have to bake the novel apple pudding? How long? Berapa lama?
180.
It's the heat of the bake 180 degrees. Itu panasnya. But how long? Berapa lama memasaknya? In 1
hour.
1 hours. Okay, and serve it with warm with cream or ice cream. Okay. The next slide, please. Comprehend it carefully. Okay, this is the next slide. We will say the ingredients orally like the example. Say it after the teacher. So say it after me, and then we will try to make. We have learned before. Jadi kita sudah belajar tadi written text-nya seperti apa, what kind the written text, and we will talk about the oral form. Kita berbicara secara oral, secara lisan. Okay. Atul, I would like to hear your voice first. Please say.
4 grand apples. Peel them, core them, and then slice them thickly.
Repeat. 4 green
4 green
apples.
peel
Peel them,
them,
core,
core them,
and then slice them thickly.
and then slice them.
Okay, thank you very much. Number 2, Aaron.
A quarter cup or 45 grams of self-rising flour. Sieve it.
A quarter cup
A quarter cup
or
or
45 grams
45 grams
of rising flour.
of self-rising flour.
Sieve it.
Sieve it.
Okay. Next. I please say it.
3 grams of butter or margarine, cube it.
Okay.
Pak.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'm sorry. The second times of disturbing by the systems, it was the electricity. And I'm sorry, wait a minute. I will share screen. I'll open it first. Okay, still processing. Wait a minute. Okay, I start to share screen again. Okay, well, our last discussions. Okay. I'm sorry because any other problems again. And numbers, what numbers the last times? Ita, number 4. I still remember that. Ita.
Half cup or 100 grams of caster sugar.
Okay. A half cup or 100 grams of caster sugar. Number 5, the last. Pia, please.
1¼ cups or 300 milliliters of water.
100, 1 and
1¼
a quarter cups
cups
or 3
or
300
300
milliliters
milliliters
of water.
of water.
Okay, that's how we say orally from the written text on the novel apple pudding. Okay, next slide. This is how we learn to say the steps orally. There are 3 steps, ada 3 steps tadi, and this is how we say orally on the steps. Dan ini bagaimana kita mengucapkan, membaca, mengucapkan, menyampaikan secara lisan. Okay, we say it together, and please after me. Tolong diucapkan setelah saya. First, place apple
the apple
in a heat-proof dish.
in a heat-proof dish.
Place
Place
the flour
the flour
in a bowl.
in a bowl.
Rub in
Rub in
margarine
margarine
with a spatula.
with a spatula.
Then
Then
stir in
stir in
sugar
sugar
and water.
and water.
The mixture.
The mixture.
Water.
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 The mixture
The mixture
should not be lumpy.
should not be lumpy.
After that,
After that,
pour over
pour over
the apples.
the apples. Next,
Bake it
bake in
at 180
at 180
degrees Celsius.
degrees Celsius
1 hour
for 1 hour
or
or
until it is syrupy
until it is syrupy
and golden.
and golden.
Finally,
Finally,
serve the pie
serve the pie
warm
warm
with the cream
with the cream
or ice cream.
or ice cream.
Okay, what is the differences between written and spoken? Apa bedanya antara yang tertulis dengan yang spoken, yang terucap secara lisan?
First,
Okay, it's used first as the adverbial of numbers of steps, and then place as we learned before, yang tadi sudah kita bahas, and rub in as the action, and then we have conjunction tense there after that, and then talks about the thing that I use the apples. And at the third steps, pada bagian ketiga, we use next and it. After all of the process, we close it with the words finally. Jadi penutupnya dengan kata finally. Serve the pie warm. sebelum disiapkan secara hangat, or we use ice cream to make it more fresh. Jadi untuk membuat lebih segar. Okay, that the explanation how we say orally from the written text novel apple pudding. This is the explanations. As shown in the examples before, jadi sudah tadi dicontoh. When you present an ingredients orally, when you present ingredients, what is ingredients? Ingredients. Apa itu ingredients?
Bahan-bahan.
Bahan-bahan. Okay. Number one, you use of between the unit and the thing. Tadi, if you pay attention, we use of between unit and the thing. In the middle of unit, unit is a numbers. Jadi unit itu ada keterangan jumlahnya, amounts-nya. Ada jumlah yang dibutuhkan. Thing itu apa tadi? Thing itu
Benda.
benda. We use of in front of the thing. For example, a quarter blah 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 sugar. It means that a quarter cup of sugar and 45 grams blah 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 self-rising flour. It means that 45 grams of self-rising flour. And the last, for example, 150 grams blah 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 sugar, mean that we say it 150 grams of sugar. Number two, you tell the audience to do an action as required by the action. Jadi bagaimana kita menyampaikan kepada si pendengar, penonton tentang langkah-langkah yang dibutuhkan. For example, for green, field. What the thing of the field? Apa yang di field? It means that field them. Them is mean apples. Kenapa them di sini? Kenapa them? Kenapa them? Fill them. Kenapa them? Tidak it. Kenapa them, Roh? Atau or the others? Karena lebih dari satu. Iya. Give near your voice clear enough. I can just a little lebih don't shy to say. Jangan malu. Fill them in that them apples. Apples with S. So the apple is more than one. A quarter cup self-rising flour sifted. Sift it. Apa itu sift? Sift itu apa? Yang paling halus itu berarti diapain? Flour, tepung paling halus berarti disaring. Oke. Any question?
No.
Till this clear enough? Yes? Okay. We will try to have a word wall. I will open it, the word wall first. Wait a second. I already opened the word wall. Wait a second, I open it first. Because of the system, I lost the program. Okay, wait a second. Okay. Okay, are you ready? We have a little exercise and it's still in groups from the beginning. I will share screen and please read it the question before you answer. I will share. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, please pay attention to the screen. Tolong perhatikan layarnya. We try. I would like to know how far you can understand related to materials of procedure text. Okay. Can you say this in English together, please?
What kind of the text is it?
What kind?
What kind?
Kind, not kin. What kind
What kind
of the text?
of the text is it?
Okay. A, B, C, D. This is
A.
A.
A. Okay. Let's. Okay. Can you say this?
What are the generic structures of the text?
Okay. The generic structure of the text. A, B, C, D.
A.
A.
Okay. Next, please. Okay.
How many apples do we need to make it?
Okay. How many apples do we need? How many?
D. 4.
D, 4. Okay.
How many degrees of temperature do you bake it?
Temperature.
Temperature.
Okay.
Do you bake it?
Do you bake it? How many temperature? How many degrees? Sorry.
C.
C. Okay.
180.
180.
How many people do you serve it?
Okay. For how many people? B. How many people?
Six.
6. Okay. This is the difference question.
What is the goal of the text?
Okay. What is the goal of the text?
C. How to make cheese omelette.
Okay. To make cheese omelette. Next, number 7. Crack
Crack
has.
has the closed meaning.
Okay. Crack has the closed meaning. Kata crack itu punya closed meaning. Pengertian yang mana? Yang mendekati A. Okay. A. It's right. Good. Okay.
What do you use to
Use.
grab the
Use. Okay.
Use to grab the cheese.
Okay. With what kind of?
B.
B. Okay. Number 9.
What is the first steps of the text?
Okay. What is the first steps of the text?
C.
C. Okay. Good. The last.
What do you do after cracking the egg?
Okay. What do you do after cracking the egg?
What do you do after cracking the egg?
A. Okay. What is A? Apa A?
With the egg.
With the egg. Okay, let's see. Okay, good. Have scored 10 from 10 questions, and I hope that next time you have more little time to finish. Thank you very much. Any question from the material of the recipe related to how you spoken? We already learned about how you say orally related to the ingredients, related with the steps. We have to pay attention to the two things, thing and the action in the method. Before I continue, any question or clear enough?
Clear.
Clear.
Okay, if they're clear enough, it would like your time to discuss. This is the exercise. Okay, try to analyze the thing of the recipe, just the thing, before you will discuss about how you say orally related with the ingredients and the method. Okay, the thing. Please pay attention to the pictures. Thing-nya apa saja itu benda yang ada di situ? Yang pertama apa?
Sugar.
Sugar. And then leaves. And then
Water.
water. Avocado. And then
Jackfruit.
jackfruit. Next, coconuts. Okay. Any other? Ice and milk. Okay, good. Let me see. Okay, the things: sugar, leaves, water, avocado, jackfruit, coconut, ice, and milk. Any questions related with the thing? Apa itu jackfruit? Nangka. Okay, good. And what is the coconut?
Kelapa.
Kelapa. Okay. Don't forget to pay attention to the amounts. Jadi jangan lupa jumlahnya berapa. And then kind. Kind itu macam. Kelapa, for example, young. So it's still young. Atau kelapa muda. And how we taking care of the ice. Bagaimana esnya. Berarti esnya yang harus crushed. And then ripe for the avocado and jackfruit. Lalu juga perhatikan avokadonya itu yang ripe. Ripe itu apa? Ripe itu apa? Avocado ripe. Ripe itu apa? Matang, masak. Jackfruit we will never use in the esteller yang jackfruit. Kita nggak mungkin pakai nangka muda. Okay. Next, this is the work in groups, and as I see on the screens, you have group of 2 works in pairs, and please try to fill the on the next slide. Jadi tolong silahkan kerja kelompoknya untuk kegiatan yang selanjutnya. And don't forget, I give you a time. Saya berikan waktu. For example, for 4 minutes, 2 or 4 minutes, and please, this is your time. Don't forget to say basmalah. Oke. Silahkan dikerjakan kegiatan selanjutnya, and you will presentation after that. Dan akan presentasi setelah itu. Silahkan. And don't forget to turn on the screen. Tolong layar kameranya tetap di-on-kan. Okay, it's enough, I think. Whose group for the first? Related to this, say the action of the esteller. Whose group? Yanti and Ina, please say your presentation.
The action in the method. Number 1. Combine heat cool. Number 2. Slice, add top, reduce on serve.
Okay, thank you very much. That is the method in the action. And then the next, please. The ingredient, the orally, how you say orally, the ingredients. Siti Aisyah and Rupiah, you can say it orally.
From of ingredients are 150 grams or 1.5 cup sugar.
Okay.
To pandan leaf, thread them with, then tie them in a knot.
Okay. Next, please.
3.5 tablespoons or 50 millimeters of water. 400 grams of rally avocado cut into 1 centimeter cubes. 400 grams of ripe jackfruit dipped and cut into 1 centimeter. 3 long coconuts keep the milk out. Crushed milk.
Crushed ice, condensed milk. You have, yeah, we still have more orally practice. Actually, the last, okay, the spoken of the methods. Error. Atut, please, your group.
This is our group presentation. The
Okay.
spoken of the methods.
1. To mix syrup, combine sugar, pandan leaves, and water in a small sauce pan and heat mixture for 5 minutes.
2 minutes.
Over low heat until the sugar dissolves. Then pour syrup.
2. To serve this dessert, place generous spoonful of cubed avocado, jackfruit, and young coconuts into a serving bowl. Next, add a little syrup to sweeten.
Sweet.
Top
Okay.
white crushed ice and then drizzle on a little condensed milk. Finally, serve immediately.
Okay. With white, please pay attention to how you say in English, and it's need to more practice. I always say to you that in English we need to practice speaking even just with your friends, say hello or other speaking languages. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for doing work in group. How that is the example how you spoken from the written text. You have to give the conjunction, and then you have to give the adverbial of numbers, the steps, because on the written tag it usually using that. Okay, thank you very much. And this is the assignment we have on the project tutorial of the video. I send the message into the WhatsApp group. You can open it and the tutorial has this should be on your video clear enough on your orally speaking. So, and then the structures of the recipe. This is just the example of Eskemu. Eskemu is the ice from Banten, and the duration of the video 10 minutes, and 3 days in making, in creating, making, shooting, and share into the YouTube, and share the link subgroups. It's clear enough? Bagaimana, jelas? Ini tugasnya, jadi membuat sebuah tutorial video pendek. This is the example I have sent, yang sudah saya kirim ke WhatsApp. Ini yang harus ada kriteria-kriterianya. Durasinya 10 menit. Strukturnya harus jelas. Struktur, it means that the ingredients clear, the method clears, and the goals also clears. Also, the how you communicate, how you speaking, how your pronunciation, and other. Try to do the best. Jadi silahkan untuk membuat video yang terbaik. Oke, sampai di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan sebelum kita akhiri pembelajaran kita hari ini? Clear? Oke, good. Tugasnya sudah jelas? Oke, thank you very much. And kesimpulan kita hari ini, who will say the conclusion? Kesimpulannya siapa yang mau menyebutkan? Oke, Atut.
Conjunction. Today we learn 1. Special vocabulary about the product. 2. Price, nominal to mention thing. 3. Conjunction like phrase, next, then, finally. 4. Expression, intonation, spelling, punctuation, and handwriting.
Okay, that's our conclusion today. And the reflection of today, what is your reflection? Okay, Ero, your reflection, please.
Reflection. Now I know that a recipe consists of 3 parts. 1. The goal title of the recipe. 2. The ingredients, stating the materials needed to make the food drink. 3. The method, stating the steps to make the food drink.
Okay, thank you very much. And that's all for today. If you have any question, don't forget to share in WhatsApp group and do your assignments. Tolong kerjakan tugasnya. It's 3 days, jadi hanya 3 hari. And this is our discussion today. Aaron, please lead your friend to pray before we closing the discussion.
Before we go home, let's pray together begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Aaron, and goodbye to next week. Keep healthy.
See you.
And bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
See you. Okay, you can leave now.